Hello, my name is Joseph Norman, and I'm here to show you our very first essential oil Young Living package. Babe, what package is this? What package was this called?
The premium starter kit with the Dewdrop diffuser.
Okay, the premium. This will be the unboxing of the premium starter kit with the Dewdrop diffuser. So what we have first is the this box here, which says Dewdrop Essential Oil Ultrasonic Diffuser. And so we I'm sorry I have to whisper. My son is taking a nap. So operational manual. 1 US plug. This is pretty nice. And then we have one official Young Living Essential Oils diffuser. And if you take this top off right here and take this off, this is where you fill with water. You're going to fill with water, and then you put your drops of oil inside of here. Whatever concoction you may need at the moment. So that's dope. I like that. Put this right here. And now we have our Young Living essential oils packet. We have some. Let me get my knife out here. I would say that this is a very nice presentation. Oh, and then you open it like this. Oh yeah. You see that? That's the packages that was inside the box here. As you can see, you have your peppermint, lemon, thieves, citrus, Digize, Frankincense, Lavender, Panaway, Valor, and Raven. So, yeah, like a probiotic. I believe it helps you poop. Oh, we got a mother load here. Man, you can actually kind of smell this. This one got a small leak in it, but you can smell it. Yeah, I don't know. That one got banged up or something. You got another Digize Roman chamomile. That smells good though, that citrus. Yeah, I think some spilled out for sure. This is gonna be nice. It got a lot of pictures, you know. We like to look at pictures, you know. We don't like to read that much, which is not very true. So then you got the product guide, the Young Living product guide. This is nice. Alright, so the oils come here, and I've already gone over the oils, but I missed a little secret. It's a secret. You gotta pull this up right here. This comes out, and you pull that up, right, baby? And then you have a whole nother section of goodies right here. sorry, baby. You have a whole nother section of good. Okay, you gotta show the camera though. And show the camera that. Okay? We got stress away. We got a stress away. What else we got, baby? And a peace and calming. Show the people that, baby. And then we got these Ningxia red oil-infused Wolfberry supplements. So these also come in here. And then we got some Thieves. Oh, then what is this, babe? Hand purifier. Wow.
Oh, we didn't get that one. And
And two little
rollers. This makes any oil you have into a roll-on. You just unscrew this and you put the roller on top.
Oh, is that how you do that?
And then you have a made roller. So you have
Nice.
2 of those that come in here.
Nice. So anyway, remember to, when you get this package, that you want to lift this little part up right here, and you got some more secrets left to unveil. So I just wanted to cover that part of the unboxing. Now we right back at it. Anyway, say bye-bye, baby.
Bye-bye.
All right, you press. So I guess that's the conclusion of our Dewdrop diffuser starter kit. So that's all the things that you'll get. I hope you enjoyed this video. Once again, my name is Joseph Norman, and you can click the link to subscribe. I don't know why you would want to do that, because I make a lot of random videos, and so that's what I'm going to be doing. It's making random videos. So if you're into random stuff, click subscribe. If you're into essential oils, click like. And if you're into my guns, you know what I'm saying? If you're into that, then go ahead and click and subscribe and like and share and write a comment.